Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey D, aka the Baby Knockout Goat. Thank you very much for joining me. I'm going to give you some charts here in a minute. I've been having some problems lately with my charting service here. You guys know I'm not the chart master, but I did learn from a guy that's probably pretty good. And I listen in class and I ask him a lot of questions and stuff. I'm talking about the one and only John Bollinger. Yeah, that's my chart teacher here. He's still around here. You know him from Bollinger Bands. You guys know the Bollinger Band. Yeah, that's who taught me how to read these charts. And he was pretty good. He was pretty good. In fact, when you see charting services nowadays, which are okay, nobody can really compete with the master, the OGs out there. This is going to be an OG year. I declare 2026 as the OG year. And some of these stocks with some of these OGs, like our uranium, our bread and butter, we're going to look at some of these charts right now. They are going to be top notch, man. These companies are going to do very, very well. We've held on to these companies for a very, very long time, ladies and gentlemen. They're doing very, very well right now. Oh, let's take a look at the charts. You tell me, are we on it this year? Are we on it, man? We're gonna knock them out. We're gonna knock them out. Once again, the scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor, author, researcher. I put it in black and white. Book form, How to Invest in Uranium Now. Books like this that you can get on Amazon.com. You can get wherever you can get them right now because they're being sold all over, man. Junior silver mining stocks ready to explode right now. The explosion is happening right now with our junior silver mining stocks. Sure, are we going to have a pullback? We always do. But ladies and gentlemen, to protect your profits, we set stops, either mental stops or stops on your platform. Let's do it. Down to the stock scoop. I'm Mickey D, aka the Baby Knockout Goat. I've been having problems, with charts and everything, and I just wanted to run over a few of the uranium stocks with you because this is our year, 2026, ladies and gentlemen. It's just January 15th. We're going to do very, very well this year. The gate is open. The animals are being let out, ladies and gentlemen. It's a big year. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Denison Mines, DNN. Now, this is one of our favorite uranium stocks. Why do I like this baby knockout? This is my third uranium bull market, ladies and gentlemen, with Denison Mines. In the '04 to '07, I did really, really well. Had these really, really low levels and dropped it off. I sold it at like 13. It went up to like $16 USD. So it did me very, very well. In 2011, leading up, I had a bull at end of 010, 11. We had a nice little bull market brewing, and then Fukushima kind of. So I have unfinished business, man. It's like you were just getting ready to do the naughty, and then you had an accident, Fukushima, and everything went down. So we've got unfinished business with Denison Mines, and I've got videos out there. I've got over like I'm going up to 300 videos on uranium. So it's not my first rodeo, ladies and gentlemen. I've been here a few times, but this particular stock, I told people years and years ago at 25 cents when we loaded up on Denison. I said, Denison always finds his way, ladies and gentlemen. So get you some Denison Mines. Make sure you have some of that. It may not be the stable of your shares of your stocks, but at least Denison is one of those companies that is going to be there when all is said and done. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Denison Mines, DNN. Yes, we piled in early and we own that one. Uranium Energy Corp, Marinati, UEC. Assets. Bought all these assets when things were very, very cheap. Yes, it's going to do very, very well. Now, I wish I could show you some of the interactive part of these charts, ladies and gentlemen, where the 13-day is crossing, going up over the 48-day, which is showing us a short to mid-term buy opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, on these stocks. But right now, UEC, one of our favorite baby knockouts, is doing very, very well. We anticipate it's going to do well for the whole period here. The cycle of uranium, like I said, 80 mid 80s right now is where the term price is. 80 was 86 or so. Uh, you're in the mid 80s. We're going to the 90s. We're going to the hundreds. What about our leader here? What about our leader, Cameco? No longer $8 9 anymore. When we piled in, it's getting up there, ladies and gentlemen. Do I think it's a little frothy right now? Maybe so, but at $113.61 USD, it continues to do in a bull market what stocks do, what leaders do. It is leading. See this red right here? Can you see that? Can you see that red? That's the 48-day moving average. And you see what? This black right here, which is crossed up above the 48-day here, right there. And it's short to midterm buy. We're way above the 200-day. Who's to say we can't come down and test the 200-day? Yeah, that just may happen. You never know, ladies and gentlemen, with these stocks. But our leader, Cameco, is doing fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. It's doing really, really good. And many of you are really, really happy because you made a lot of money here. It looks like Energy Fuels has gone on strike and it doesn't want to come up, ladies and gentlemen. But Next Gen NXC also is doing very, very well. Uh, if you don't like the individual stocks and you want to go maybe with one of the royalty companies, go with UROY, ladies and gentlemen. UROY. Wish I could show you the chart, but once again, technical difficulties. Uh, Midday, we're talking UUUU up for up 5%, ladies and gentlemen. So times are good. The uranium Suzupple is on, and things are looking up. You know, if I can't turn this thing around, ladies and gentlemen,